Welcome to Kids Health Talk. Today is a case scenario that drove me to discuss more about management of fracture at home and before coming to the hospital. Ilikuwa ni early Wednesday morning when I had just come from a night shift. I hurriedly took breakfast, took a bath, and as I was about to sleep, my sister called me. Akaniuliza niko wapi. Ambia nimetoka night shift, ready to sleep. Then she told me, kuja hospitali fulani, allow me to hide the identity. Mtoto wangu amevunjika mkono. Kamuuliza na umepewa dawa? Kaniambia bado, nimetumwa kwa daktari, alafu sasa tumeenda x-ray. Sasa nikaambia sawa, I'm coming in 30 minutes time. So, I took with me a painkiller of which I knew it would help that baby. Ndio mimi huyo nikachukua Uber, then I reached to the hospital. Upon reaching to the hospital, I found them at the X-ray department. Totally nothing had been given. Even her at home, she had not given a painkiller to this baby. And the baby was crying because of pain. So, I took an initiative and gave the baby a Cataflam. Then akatulia. Akaweza kufanyiwa x-ray. Fanyiwa x-ray, kaonyeshana how the bone had broken. After keeping the baby in a safe place, this is what my sister should have done before coming to the hospital. She should have taken either mwiko ama rolling pin, alafu achukue bed sheet, then azitumie kufunga mkono ya mtoto in order to prevent pain and movement to that hand. The broken bone will injure the tissues inside it and hence will make the baby have a lot of pain. Then after that, ampatie mtoto painkiller to improve comfort and also reduce pain. Then aanze sasa safari ya kwenda hospitalini. In case it is a leg that is broken, you are supposed to take either a mwiko or a rolling pin or a wooden flat board, then a bed sheet or a lasso in case it's an accident. Then you tie the legs just the same way we did with the hand. Then you give a painkiller if at all you have it, but if you don't have it, you should take this person to the hospital as soon as possible. In the hospital setup, all this will be removed in order to place a plaster in it so that the plaster can hold the fracture firmly. Then a painkiller is normally given, and then later the patient is normally taken to X-ray department in order to check the extent of the fracture. From there, management of fracture, like if it is surgery or medical management. Here are types of fractures. There is complete and incomplete fracture, a simple and a compound fracture, simple, comminuted and open fracture, pathological and longitudinal and spiral fracture, also a fracture that is found near the joints.